In this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can screen record your computer. All right, so some of you might actually be having desktop, so will be laptop or whatsoever. So this tutorial is going to walk you through the step on how you can easily screen record your computer. All right, so what I would prefer everyone to use, which is more easier and better to use in screen recording, is Camtasia. Now, I have used OBS before and I have also used Camtasia, so I've seen the difference and I'll prefer we go for Camtasia. Now, the reason why I use Camtasia to record my computer is so as I can be able to edit it immediately I am done screen recording it. But with that of OBS, I need to export it, then take it to any editing software before I can be able to edit it. But on Camtasia there, I can edit it, add some transition, animation, zoom in and zoom out, and all of that. All right, so if you want to screen record your computer, the first thing you need to do is to install your Camtasia. Now, if you don't have your Camtasia or you're having hard time trying to install it, you can come over to the comment section and say, please, how can I install Camtasia for free? And then I'm going to give you a link, or I'm going to share with you guys in my next video how you can get Camtasia for free. All right, so when you open your Camtasia, it's going to be looking like this. Now, when you want to start recording, all you have to do is to click on record right here. When you click on record, and then you'll be seeing something like this. Now, you won't be able to see this here because if that is just how it is on Camtasia. But look at where I'm showing you here. You see this? So this is the way it is. I am recording right now, so that is why it is like this. So with the first sign, which is just like a dash there, is where you get to minimize. The next one is to restart. The third one is to pause, and the last one is to stop recording. So with this, you can be able to record it, and you can also crop your screen. You can crop it to whichever size you want. All you have to do when you click on a record, the demarcation comes out, then you can crop it to whichever parts of your screen you want it to show. All right, so that's just how you can record your screen, and then when you are done, you can go ahead and saving it. So before I will go out of this, let me quickly show you some little things about Camtasia here and why I love to use it. Now, looking at this here, you see this is animation, this is behavior, this is transition, cursor effects. Now, all of these are actually what I do or what I use when I'm trying to edit with Camtasia. With the first one here is the media, where you get to import whichever video or pictures you want to use. The next one is the library. You can check in some clips or editing clips from Camtasia library here. This is the favorite, this is annotation. Now with this annotation here, there are so many things you can actually do here. You can bring in a text looking like any of this. Then the next one here is arrows. This is shapes. You can bring in shape, whichever one, and you can also change the colors. This is to blur. Now you see why I actually love using Camtasia. These are some of the things that when you are a kind of like explaining something while recording your screen, all of these are necessary so that you can actually bring out the main points in a particular part, just as what I have been doing on this. Now, all of this editing you are seeing here, I did all of this using Camtasia. I don't need to go over to CapCut or anywhere. I do all of this on Camtasia. And then this is where you get to insert something like this. With this box, you can be able to highlight a particular stuff and all of that. And then this is keyboard. So the next one here is transition, behavior for your text and all of that. Animation. This animation is zooming in and zooming out. Then cursor effect, it's the way it is like this here. You see this round stuff is actually going to be together with your cursor. So as anywhere you are on your computer and it is recording, you are going to notice where the cursor is and where the cursor will be clicking or highlighting. And then this is voice narration. So with all of this, you can simply edit it. This is the cut here, this is the copy and the paste, all of these are just ways you can edit after you are done recording, and then you can go ahead and saving it. Now, why I also love using Camtasia is if, for instance, my system shuts down or I close my computer, I can still come back and reopen my previous edits. Yes, even if I have not saved it. But sometimes I just prefer to save it so I don't need to be taking that risk. And when I am done, I can now click on export in exporting my videos. So I use Camtasia in recording my computer. So if you don't know how to get Camtasia for free, like I said, come over to the comment section and then tell me you need to get Camtasia for free. I'm going to be showing you or giving you the strategy on how you can get Camtasia for free. All right, guys. So if this is actually your first time on my channel, You're welcome. My name is Jeff, and I advise every single person watching my video to please and please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so as I'll be feeling happy to bring out more clips and tutorials for you guys to watch. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video.